Welcome to Review Lab. The best 400W Wind Turbine Kit is probably one of the most exciting and empowering additions you can make to your home or off-grid setup, offering a sustainable and cost-effective way to generate your own electricity from the wind, and this comprehensive kit provides everything you need to harness that natural power, making renewable energy more accessible than ever before. Number 5. 400W Portable Helix Wind Power Turbine Generator. Experience smooth, reliable, and quiet operation thanks to our high-strength FRP blades. Designed with aerodynamics, they ensure the rotor runs efficiently even at low wind speeds. This generator kit features a 3-phase AC PMG with intelligent microprocessor control. It effectively regulates current and voltage, maximizing wind energy utilization for increased power generation. Enjoy stable performance with minimal vibration and noise, thanks to its dual-bearing design. Its compact shape and larger windward area allow for electricity generation even in lower wind speeds. Perfect for a wide range of applications, including boats, cabins, and homes. It's an ideal solution for green energy needs in residential, corporate, and industrial settings. Everything you need is included in the package for a convenient installation. The humanized flange design makes setup and maintenance straightforward. Available in 3 stylish colors, white, red, and blue, you can choose the perfect look for your needs. Start generating your own clean energy today. What we like. This turbine features a coreless PMG for lower startup torque and quiet operation. Its compact design makes it stable and reliable. If you are looking for a versatile option for boats, cabins, or even mobile homes, this is a great choice for DIY energy generation. What people say. The turbine is surprisingly quiet, even at higher wind speeds. Easy to assemble and mount, took me about an hour. Generates a decent amount of power on windy days, enough to charge batteries. Number 4. Marsrock 400W 3-Blade Wind Turbine Generator Kit. Harness the power of the wind with this innovative turbine. Its 3-blade design and 400-watt motor efficiently generate clean, renewable energy. Take clean energy wherever you go. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to transport and set up. Built to last, this turbine is constructed from durable nylon material. It's designed to withstand even the harshest weather conditions. Power your home responsibly. This generator produces no harmful emissions or noise pollution, making it a truly eco-friendly choice. Enjoy flexible installation options. It can be used with either 12V or 24V power sources to suit your needs. What we like. This generator is designed to be lightweight and easy to use, with durable nylon blades built to withstand harsh weather. It offers multi-voltage output for flexible installation. If you need a portable and reliable solution for home use that is also environmentally friendly, this is a solid option. What people say. The turbine is easy to assemble and install. It generates a good amount of power, even in low wind conditions. The build quality is solid and it seems durable. Number 3. 600W 5-Blade Vertical Wind Turbine Generator, 12V. Experience robust energy generation with our 600W wind turbine. It boasts a low starting wind speed of 2 ms and a nominal voltage of 12V, making it efficient even in moderate winds. Featuring 5 durable nylon fiber blades, this generator is built for longevity. Its magnetic levitation alternator ensures smooth and efficient power conversion. Enjoy high wind power utilization with its low startup speed. This unit is designed to be lightweight, compact, and operate with minimal vibration for a quiet experience. Perfect for a variety of uses, including home power, surveillance systems, marine and boat applications, and powering hybrid streetlights. Everything you need is in the box. The package includes the wind turbine generator with controller, stainless steel hardware, and a flange plate for easy installation. Operating reliably in temperatures from -40 to 80 degrees Celsius, this generator is designed to withstand harsh environments. Its automatic wind angle adjustment ensures optimal performance. What we like. Boasting high efficiency and low vibration, this lantern-type turbine is suitable for a wide range of applications including marine use and street lighting. If you need a powerful and stable generator for demanding environments or specialized uses like hybrid streetlights, this model is worth considering. What people say. The turbine is surprisingly quiet, even at higher wind speeds. Installation was straightforward, and the included instructions were clear and easy to follow. The power output is consistent and meets the advertised specifications, providing a reliable source of energy. Number 2. AUECOOR 520W Solar Wind Hybrid Kit. Introducing a versatile power solution designed for off-grid living. This kit ensures you can generate power year-round, overcoming the limitations of pure solar systems in challenging weather. Experience consistent and efficient energy generation with our advanced 5-blade wind turbine. Its low start-up speed and patented generator design ensure stable performance, outperforming traditional 3-blade turbines. Our solar modules are built to last, featuring advanced encapsulation and corrosion-resistant frames. They are designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions, guaranteeing reliable performance for decades. Perfect for a variety of off-grid applications, including homes, RVs, caravans, and boats. It's an ideal choice for any standalone system requiring battery power. This kit comes with a comprehensive 25-year power output warranty and a 5-year material warranty. It's a reliable investment for your energy independence, delivered in convenient separate packages. What we like. This kit offers all-season power generation by combining solar and wind energy, solving low-efficiency issues in poor weather. It includes reliable, durable solar panels with a long warranty. If you are setting up an off-grid system for an RV, caravan, or boat and want consistent power year-round, this hybrid solution is ideal. What people say. The turbine is surprisingly quiet, even at higher wind speeds. Installation was straightforward, with clear instructions provided. The power output is consistent and meets the advertised specifications. Number 1. 1120W12V Wind Solar Hybrid Kit. Are you concerned about rising electricity costs or lack of power in remote locations? This hybrid system offers a reliable solution. Unlike pure solar systems, this kit performs efficiently even in rainy or cloudy weather. It combines wind and solar power for consistent energy generation. Our monocrystalline solar panels boast up to 21% conversion efficiency. They are built to withstand harsh conditions with durable aluminum frames and are designed for longevity. The 400W wind turbine features high efficiency and starts generating power at low wind speeds. Its advanced design protects it from overspeed conditions. Perfect for motorhomes, homes, boats, and various off-grid installations. It's ideal for any standalone system requiring battery storage, like household power or solar lighting. We stand by our product with a 25-year transferable power output warranty. Enjoy guaranteed efficiency for decades to come. What we like. This comprehensive hybrid kit includes high-efficiency solar panels, a 400W wind turbine with overspeed protection, and advanced controllers. It's designed to combat expensive electricity bills and power issues in remote areas. If you're looking for a complete off-grid solution for your home, RV, or boat and want maximum energy generation in various conditions, this all-in-one package is an excellent choice. What people say. The turbine is surprisingly quiet, even at higher wind speeds. Installation was straightforward, and the included instructions were clear and easy to follow. It generates a consistent amount of power, even on days with moderate wind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.